Hey, Bob, what am I doing?
Hey, Brad. I'm not sure.
I'm not trying to kiss the wall. We've got an exercise that's going to help your posture immensely, and it only takes less than 20 seconds. In 2 seconds, we're going to show you how to do it, and it'll be clear.
I can't wait.
You feel strong and tall like a posture man. Maybe posture man.
Posh man. There we go. Okay, posture man.
Yeah. All right, here we go. I did it in 18 seconds comfortably. I gave you an extra 2 seconds if you want to take your time, but you need to do it properly. A little instruction. Face any wall that you have, and you get close enough, and it's critical that you get close enough so that your nose is almost touching. Okay? Hands up here like this. You're going to take your right hand. You can do the hitchhiker. You don't have to do that, but it reminds me that's the direction that arm wants to go. The opposite leg is going to go with it. And that strengthens and stretches out the shoulders and the back, in the upper and low back to
The
get
whole spine.
Yep, good posture. The reason you get close to the wall, if you're out here, you may have a tendency to bring your head forward, which is not good posture. So the closeness to the wall is for a specific reason, good posture. Do 5 on this side, do 5 on this side, and then 5 more, both hands away, and the famous W, okay? Like that.
Squeeze those shoulder blades.
Yep.
Yeah.
Squeeze the shoulder blades and do the chin tuck as if the wall was in front of you. 5 of those. And you might not get it in 20 seconds the first couple times. Once you get it memorized, it'll be a piece of cake. So whether you're at work, whether you get up in the morning, get to the wall and start doing your perfect posture exercises. Bob, what do you say?
I concur.
Bob concurs. I concur. You cannot go wrong with this. Do it at least 5 times a day for 5 days, and you're going to be amazed at how things start to change.
You'll be happy.
Muscle memory kicks in. Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
You thought you'd wait for it.
Yeah, we got it. If anybody's watching anymore. Whatever. Take care, be careful, and behave.